In a world where health is becoming increasingly elusive, where modern medicine struggles to keep up, trust seems to be in short supply. Is there a positive word? Is there a new path to walk? One that we might have missed? One that can help us attain better health, vitality, and resiliency? Yes, and it is found in a place you never thought to look. Have you ever wondered why elite athletes seem to stay in peak health year after year? It's because they're part of the most protected and cared for group of individuals on the planet. After all, when millions of dollars are at stake, sickness and injury are simply not an option. But what if you could tap into their secret? What if you could access the same cutting-edge health management systems they rely on? One until now that was entirely unknown. Introducing Aruka, the art of rebuilding and restoring your health. Author Kent Johnston, who spent nearly 3 decades working with professional athletes, reveals a new and innovative approach that isn't typical. Aruka is a comprehensive approach, one that embraces 7 pillars that are essential to personal and family health. Aruka is proactive, not reactive. It delves deep, addressing issues at their root rather than merely treating symptoms. And the best part, anyone can apply it, regardless of their background or current state of health. You don't need to be an elite athlete to experience the benefits. You just need the tools to get started. You need Aruka. It is time for all of us to embrace a new and innovative approach that focuses on true health, vitality, and a bright future. Discover Aruka and unlock the path to a vibrant and fulfilling life. The future of health is in your grasp. Are you ready?